got the GoPro on Dina.
Guys, it is hot, hot, hot. I love it. You guys are great. We're into the Grassroots Trading Post Modified Class. Trucking, Rick Roots Transmissions, Wanda Gillis, and MS Logging were his sponsors. First run time for Dana Gilby is hashtag Team Gilby number 50 in the 2020 Chevy Thunder. A 106.22.